Creating a free website is a straightforward process that can be accomplished with easily accessible tools and services. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Step 1. Decide on your website's purpose. Determine what the primary function of your website will be. Whether you're looking to start a blog, showcase a portfolio, or run a small business, understanding the main purpose will guide your choices in design and structure. Step 2. Choose a website builder. There are several free website building platforms available, such as Wix, WordPress.com, and Weebly. Each offers different templates and customization options. Research their features to find the one that fits your needs best. Step 3. Sign up for an account. Once you've decided on a platform, sign up for a free account. This typically involves providing your personal details and verifying your email address. Step 4. Select a template. Choose from the available templates that suit your website's purpose and aesthetic preference. Most website builders offer drag-and-drop functionality, making it easy to customize the design even without coding skills. Step 5. Customize your website. Add your own text, images, and other media. Customize the layout to align with your brand or personal style. Incorporate widgets or plugins that enhance functionality. Make sure to preview your changes regularly to ensure everything aligns with your vision. Step 6. Set up pages. Create essential pages like home, about, contact us, and any others specific to your needs. Structure your site to be user-friendly and easy to navigate. Step 7. Optimize for SEO. Ensure that your website is search engine optimized. Utilize relevant keywords in your content and make use of the SEO tools provided by the platform to help your site rank higher in search results. Step 8. Publish your website. Once satisfied with the design and content, you can publish your site for everyone to see. Most builders offer a free domain option, often as a subdomain. Step 9. Promote your website. Share your newly created website on social media, email newsletters, or other channels to drive traffic. Monitor visitor engagement and make necessary adjustments based on feedback. By following these steps, you can create a functional and appealing website without spending a dollar. Regular updates and engaging content will keep your audience coming back.